In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website fonts in Thinkific. We'll be going through the typography settings inside your Thinkific site so you can update the way your text appears and make your website look more polished and on brand. This is a simple customization, but it can make a big visual difference, especially when you want your headings and body text to feel consistent and easy to read. To get started, open Thinkific and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land in the admin dashboard, which is where you can manage your site settings and course platform options. From the dashboard, click on Channels. This is where Thinkific gives you access to the parts of your site that visitors actually see. From there, select Website to move into your website management area. Next, open any page to launch the site builder. It doesn't matter which page you choose for this because the typography settings you're about to edit are part of your theme settings rather than just one individual page. Once the site builder opens, look to the left-hand menu and click Theme Settings. Inside Theme Settings, select Typography. This is where you can control the fonts used throughout your website. For a general tutorial that works best for most users, start with desktop typography first, since this is the primary setting most people will want to update. When you open desktop typography, you'll be able to change the fonts used on desktop devices. Take a moment here to review the available options and choose the fonts that best match your brand and the overall style you want for your site. If you also want to customize how your fonts appear on phones or smaller screens, switch over to mobile typography as well. This gives you the option to fine-tune the experience for mobile visitors, which can be helpful if you want to make sure your text stays readable and visually balanced across different devices. Now choose your preferred fonts for both the headings and body copy sections. Headings usually set the tone and grab attention, while body copy should stay clear and comfortable to read, so try to select a combination that works well together. Once you're happy with your selections, click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your updated typography settings will now be reflected across your Thinkific website based on the device settings you edited. If needed, you can always come back and adjust the fonts again until the look feels just right.